face flipping. And then someone's gonna get all theirs on their first try. Oh, I'm going first. And I guess this one? That's Shinosuke. Eduardo. Oh, he almost did. He almost got it. Shinosuke, that's not yours. This one. Okay, that's mine. Okay, 6-4. I don't think that one's yours. No, that's Eduardo's, dumbass. 1. Damn it! So I think it's gotta be good. It's got to be that, maybe this one. Yes, it is this one. This is my second one. No! Theo, I don't know what yours is. Oh, you've got to be fucking shitting me. And I get second place. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be fucking me. You've got to be fucking me, Theo. I could have had first place. You motherfucker. You just... Lucky gets this last card. Not fair. Not fair at all. Double 4. And then he's going to get a 6. That could have been my 14 roll, potentially. No. Just a 10, but still. Could have been my 10 roll. But now, Theo. But no. Theo. He's a lucky shit ass he is. Does that what? Hits it. Gets first. Get a 4, Eduardo. Please. No, 7. Didn't want a 3 or 5. Shinosuke gets this first try. We're fucked. We may be fucked. We are fucked. Oh, no. Well, safe to tell you that it's not going to be a first try victory, especially if Shinosuke wins this 1v3. He's going to be a good enough roll from the top, and he's going to win. Okay, thank God. And I'm not in last. Eduardo is in last. Honestly, I feel like I'm in last because I'm in the volcano. Okay, it's moon landing. Minigames either very courageous to me, or it fucks me. Very nice to me, or it fucks me. And the last time I got stuck... yeah, it's fucking me, honestly. Go. Oh! And Shinosuke got first. Go. I got third out of that. There's no way we win. He needs 15, so he might not get up now. 4. He's not there yet. Eduardo, what are you gonna do? A double 2, and then here comes a 6 roll. Like it's gonna benefit me anyway. Yep, there's his 6 roll. What did I say? I say it's either double 1 or double 2. Freaking, I'm gonna... And he also got it. Come on, Beef Boss. Big roll. God damn it! That's not enough to get us out of the volcano. Get a 2, Theo, so you can be in last place. Nope, 6. Get in the... At least get in the volcano. Please? Damn it! I am in a bad spot considering... Eduardo is still in last place. Quicker chipper. I'm okay with this one because I... Gonna be a golfing god. Come on! No! Why didn't you go all the way up? Man! What are you doing? Why are you hitting? No! We're getting fucked by it! Okay. It's not funny at this point. Like, he's about to win. Okay, I'll stop. Okay. Okay. The only reason I lost is because my Wii remote was being a shit ass. And now Eduardo and Theo tied for first. And at least I get out of the volcano on this roll. But seriously, like this is not going the way I hoped it would. Even if Theo rolls a 7, he can't do me any good. Because I'm in the volcano. I could have got out of it. I really could have gotten out of the volcano last turn if I didn't roll a damn 3. Get in! Eduardo! Please! Ugh, they all passed it. I think we're screwed. How far is Shinosuke? He can't get there now. 4! Damn it. Almost. I mean, I can get out now. With what? A 6. That's nice, but I don't get a boost. I'm in second, but I am in second, and Eduardo's picking the mini game again. Let it be something that we can get Shinosuke to lose. Ooh, it was almost going to be Crybabies, and if it were Crybabies, the game would have been over. Shinosuke. I'm ready. I'm ready. Why are you chopping so fast? Oh, I got first. Holy shit. That's good. I got first, and Shinosuke got second, so he's getting up there. Most likely up there. 5, and that's not gonna help me. Bless. And now Shinosuke's about to win. See, he needs an 8. Oh, he got 1 short. Shit. That's something. We're gonna have to ruin Shinosuke's life, Theo and Eduardo. Theo's the only one that can really do something. Let's get a 4. UFO, and if you switch with Shinosuke, yeah, he switches with Shinosuke, so now Shinosuke's life is ruined. And now it's Theo who's gonna be up there. So now we have to target Theo. What are we gonna do about it, Eduardo? You're the only one down here with me. I'm gonna get a 3. And chin up, champ. Oh my damn real eye. I don't think I can press A and B fast enough. There's no way. I got 3rd place. 3rd place out of it. And Shinosuke won. Theo got 2nd, and he's most certainly getting up there. What are Shinosuke? 20 spots away. And a 7. Where's that putting him? He's getting on up. And now if Theo gets a 3, I get to roll next, and I can get up there no matter what. 3. No, that's 6. Oh my god, Theo. Just get a 6 here. We already know how the game's going to end. Hold on. It's a 5. Not over. Might not. Unless it could be over. What about B+? 7. Okay, Tornado, we need Theo. We need to hit Theo. If we hit Theo, we could still have a shot. No, not Shinosuke. That would have been good if Theo had switched with Eduardo last turn. Speaking of Eduardo, he gets to roll an axe. What's that? 5. Okay. He is now tied for last with Shinosuke, but he's still picking the minigame. We need a minigame that Theo can lose. Ram Jam, I actually could win. We need Theo to get last. Theo... Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. Theo got second place. I feel like it's over. Because Theo is sure to win. I mean, first place. We have a shot to get up there, but that's only if we get a 10. If we get a 3. If we get an... I don't know what else to say. Do we get it? No! 7. I figured I was going to roll that. I had that in my head. And now Theo's going to win it right here. With his second place roll. Yeah, no shocker. Just end the game, Theo. Yep. Fuck you, Theo. It's all because of Shinosuke. Shinosuke. It's your fault the whole time. Okay, just let me finish up my video first. Quarter. Oh, you motherfucking Theo. Eduardo didn't do shit Theo didn't do shit in that game. Eduardo. And then Shinosuke would have won. We already know how it's gonna end. I'm filming! So be patient. I got hit for that damage boost. Yeah, we'll verify. Well, there we go. We got first, of course. Same way we started off last minigame, just we played Crybabies once, and the game would have been like a little differently. 10. If I had gotten that 10, speaking of, there's an 8 hole. Put me on the UF, that would have swapped me with Theo. And what did I get? A 2. Nothing much. Theo. Here's a middle finger for you. Because you're a dumb shit. What about you, Shinosuke? 4. Good. Walk off. How many yards is it? 92. I've got another Wii remote that works. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and this is 92. Alright, let's see. Let's see how good I did. Ooh, I did it. I won again. I won walk-off. Hold on, I'm just gonna go on the... watch a little bit of the Phillies game with my father because Theo's an absolute shithead.